Hey artists! Let's talk today about how to frame and prepare our artwork for presentation. When I prepare my artwork for a presentation, it means I'm getting it ready to show to someone that wants to look at my art. Here's an example of what a framed artwork looks like. Actually, this artwork is not framed, it's simply matted on a piece of black construction paper with my name tag at the bottom. It is ready and prepared for someone to view, and it's ready for me to present to the viewer. So let's learn how. When I'm ready to prepare my artwork for framing, or in this case for matting, these are the supplies that I need. I need my glue, pencil, my glue brush, I need the piece of paper that I'm going to put the artwork on, I need the artwork, and I need my tag. So here's what I do first. I place the artwork onto the piece of paper that I want to use for a frame. Then I hold my artwork with the hand I do not write with, and then I pick up my pencil. I go to each corner and I make a very light L shape around the corner. See if you can see what I did. This L shape over here, that's what I'm looking for. Now I can see where my artwork goes. So then after I have the glue on the back, I can just put the artwork down and it's going to be in the correct spot. So when I frame my artwork, I want to make sure that there's an equal amount of black showing around on the sides. So when I put my artwork down, I checked for an equal amount of black, and then I made my little L corners. Now I'm going to scoot this out of the way, turn my artwork over, open my glue, and I'm going to put glue only along the edges. I don't need glue in the middle, I just need it along the edges. After I have my glue along the edges, I move my paper back up that I'm going to glue it onto, and I look for those L corners that I made, and I put my corners back in that exact same place as best that I can. And I do not massage the artwork. I turn the paper over so that I can protect the artwork, and I give it a good massage. And I count to maybe 20 or maybe 15. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. 14, 15. I can turn it over and check. Oh yeah, that glued down nicely. If my corners were still sticking up, then I would take my paintbrush and put a little bit of glue underneath that corner. I would turn it back over and massage that corner. Now for the nameplate. It's important that I put my nameplate on my artwork so people know that it's mine and they know what grade I belong to. Obviously I'm not in a grade, that's why I put art teacher because I'm the art teacher. So to attach my nameplate, it's very simple. I want to turn my nameplate over and I want to put glue along the top edge so that when I glue it, my name is facing the correct way. So I don't need glue on this part, on the bottom, I want glue on the top. And if I need to label that, I can. So here's the top. I can write top here if that helps me to remember. I do not, I repeat, I do not put the glue on the frame. I put the glue on the label, just one little line across the top. Because if I put glue down here, well, it doesn't matter because it's not glued down underneath. This is not attached to anything. So I only need glue on that top part. I put it in the center as best that I can. I don't want it way over here. Well, I guess I could put it over there if I wanted to. Yeah, I guess I could put it over there too. I like mine in the center, so I'm going to put it in the center and turn it over and massage it down. 14, 15. Voila! My artwork is ready for presentation. If I need to frame a double artwork, this is what I do. It's very much the same as framing a single artwork, it's just double the work. So it goes like this. I need a bigger piece of paper and my 2 artworks. And so I'm going to put my artwork on the paper, putting them in the center as best that I can, lining them up. It's not going to be perfect, but that's okay. I'm doing the best that I can. I'm going to hold this one down, make my L corners. Now it's time to glue. And that is how I frame my artwork for presentation. Happy art making!